How to fill up Adidas affiliate program. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you that how to fill up Adidas affiliate program, so let's dive in. First, you have to come to your browsers and search for Adidas affiliate program. You can use any browser. I'm using Chrome. And once you're done with the searching process, you have to click this first link over here. It's going to bring you to this page. I've opened it in advance. And now you can see this is the affiliate program page. Simply click apply now over here. Just click this option and wait for it to load the page for you. Now here you can see that it has loaded this page for me. Now you simply have to start filling up. You can log in if you already have an account, but if you want to fill up, you have to come to this page by clicking on the apply now option like in the last step. Now just enter your full name over here. I'm just going to go with the demo name over here. And now come to the email section and enter your email over here. Now once you enter your email, you have to enter it again to just confirm it. And once done, you have to choose a username over here. You can just choose a username and then you have to just come to the next box and choose a password. You can choose any password and then re-enter to confirm it. Now, simply enter your company information over here. You can enter the account display name over here, your company website in this box, and then choose your country. You can choose your country by scrolling this list. And now enter the address over here and choose the city, state, zip over here, and then enter your phone number. You can choose the code for your country by scrolling in this list by clicking this arrow, and then enter your number over here. Now choose the currency over here, the time zone, and then you have to scroll down, and here you can see the promotional information. You have a business model over here. You can choose any. And then the property type, of course. You can turn these on if you want. And now you can see this is the agreements option over here. You can see all the details of the agreements in this box and the mobile sale and everything that comes in the agreement. And once you go through the agreement process, you have to simply just scroll down and here you have to click sign up. You can download the program terms if you want by clicking over here. Once you click sign up, you're good to go. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.